everybody, I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial, but right now I am going to clean my face. I'm gonna start off using this Perique facial mask. It's quenched, and this just helps with driving the moisture into my skin cells. It's kind of like a little jelly form, so I'm just gonna rub that in around my face. And alright, I'm gonna go in and use my Simone Rose Creamy Rose Cleanser as well on top of that. If you guys can see, there you go. I'm gonna put this on top of the moisture mask and this cleanser, and I'm just gonna rub it into my face. It's gonna help my skin nice and smooth and clean. Alright. So my face is ready to be cleansed. And next I'm going to get ready to start with my hair. So my hair, I have combed it out, and my hair is very thick. So the first thing I'm gonna do is part my hair in two sections. So I'm gonna have this section, one right here and one on the other side, because I'm gonna work in sections. So we're gonna work with this section first. So my hair is dry. I'm gonna show you guys what I use for my hair. I do have a spray bottle, and in my spray bottle I use 3 main ingredients. I use water, I use a natural leave-in treatment made with argan oil. It's by DermOrganics. You can buy this online, as well as the intensive hair repair mask, which is enriched with rice keratin and argan oil. This is also by DermOrganics. I'll put the link in the description of the video for you guys. I also use a little bit of vitamin E oil, a few drops of this, and I put it in my water bottle so that I can spray my hair with it. All these ingredients keep my hair nice and shiny and moisturized, and it gives my hair a nice soft feeling. It helps with my curls. So as you can see, I'm just spraying it on my hair right now and just making it a little damp. The back of my hair is very thick. I'm just gonna spray it on. Also, I'm wearing something that I don't mind getting wet because I haven't gotten dressed for the day yet. Also, going back to my skin, I'm just gonna keep it on right now while I am getting my hair together. So my hair is getting a little tangled, but that's because it's very thick. I'm just moisturizing and working the mixture into my hair. I'm just gonna take the ends of my hair, scrunch it a little bit, and I'm gonna add a little bit more of my spray mixture because I want my hair to be damp. So this one side is curling up. I want to make sure that it's getting all the way to the bottom of my ends because I want my ends to curl as well and not be dry. I have both of my sides of my hair curled. I will show you guys how I add my gel and the next process of how I get my big curly fro. This has moisture, and I like the vitamin E oil, the argan oil. All of that gives my hair a lot of moisture and shine. Okay, so we're gonna just do the same with the other side. co-wash, I guess I can say. So I'm gonna take this side out. My hair is curly all together. So I'm just gonna finger comb it through one more time to comb out any of the kinks that are left. It's pretty good. It's very curly, and I just make sure that it's nice and moist. I do go in with a gel just so that it can define my curls more. Right now I'm just gonna use this gel, any gel you can find. Add a little bit of gel into my hair. Make sure I put it all the way throughout my hair. This is clear gel. It does say extra hold on it, but you can use any type of gel that you feel works for your hair. Make sure that the ends get gel. And as you can see, my hair is very nice and curly. So I do air dry my hair. Time for it to air dry, but that's okay. For now, you guys can just see how it looks so far. I'm gonna let that air dry, and once it's done air drying, I'll come back and show you guys how I get my big poofy fro. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is pretty much air dried. So these are the curls that I have right now. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I get that poofy fro that I wear. I'm just gonna use my pick. I just pick my hair out a little bit to give it a little bit of body. And I just wanted to have that volume to it. So there you go, that's it. Still waiting for a few pieces to dry, and the curl will be a little better once those pieces dry. But that is how I get my finishing look. Yep. And then I just do my makeup or whatever I'm gonna wear for the day, and I have that look. So I usually like to tweeze it a little bit throughout the day. It's very easy to manipulate. Like I said, a few parts are still a little damp, but that's the finished look. So hope you guys liked it, and I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, so it's very simple and easy. And I hope you guys enjoy. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.